One of the most important things that they do here is show a person using the product, smiling, and most importantly, looking directly at the camera. When you click edit on the listing and you go in here and you look at the product ID type, notice how this is grayed out. This field cannot be changed, not at least manually. The solution is to do a full template upload.
It replaces what was previously a storefront, and it has plug and play tiles. So all of these products and images that we're seeing here, I'm going to show you how to incorporate those and use them. It's very basic. Anybody who's used HubSpot or any template fill program, plug and play, so very easy to use.
You can take a look at my website link, and I've got the answers to all the tests right there in text form. The only reason I'm doing this is because Amazon's pesticides gating makes absolutely no freaking sense, and it's triggered by keywords. It's easier to just simply pass the test than try and fight Amazon's catalog team and say, I don't need to take this test.
One of the most common mistakes that are made is that somebody will upload a document and it won't be clear, legible, and complete. And let me emphasize the complete aspect. Number one, most made mistake is they'll upload like a credit card or a bank statement and they won't include every page. Go down to account info. That will load this page here. You then click on deposit methods, and I have some information off screen here for privacy, but basically you click this button that says replace deposit method. That will bring up which area you need to change. Simply select that area and hit replace. Then there's the live video call, which is probably the most likely beneficial one. And this is going to allow you to say hi and bye to an associate at Amazon in about a 10-minute call would be my guess. And they basically just get to know you and ask a couple questions. So this is going to help take down a lot of the bad actors, as with every other mechanism that rolls out for identity verification, to take away hackers or bad actors. One of the most common ones is when you file your brand registry and it doesn't connect to your Seller Central account. It's usually because you file brand registry under a secondary user's email address instead of your admin email address, which is what you use to open the Seller Central account. So what you're going to have to do is file a ticket within brand registry to ask them to connect it to your Seller Central account. So if you ever call up IT support and you're like, hey, I got a problem with my computer, what's the first thing they say to you? Have you tried turning it off and on again? Right? Like that is like the synopsis of what I did with a dry fast. I'm turning off the body, I'm turning it back on. Rest assured, during this whole process, I was monitoring my health. If our main keywords are performing well in auto and performing worse in manual campaigns, what would you do? I would leave the auto campaign alone. Do not negate good keywords off an auto campaign. It is probably the most important thing you will have learned in this video today. You leave good things alone because the history makes a difference.